Welcome to Mambajao in Camiguin, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction. The pre-colonial history of Mambajao in Camiguin is rooted in the indigenous cultures that have inhabited the island for centuries. The island of Camiguin, including Mambajao, was inhabited by indigenous groups with their own distinct languages, customs, and traditions. The Subanen, a Lumad ethno-linguistic group, is one of the indigenous groups found in Mindanao, which includes neighboring islands like Camiguin. Pre-colonial societies in Camiguin engaged in agriculture, cultivating crops such as rice, root crops, and fruits. Fishing also played a significant role, given the island's coastal location. These communities had well-defined social structures organized around extended families or clans. Leadership roles were held by respected individuals or elders within the community. Animistic beliefs and worship of ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial societies. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvests, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions was done by oral means. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. Camiguin's strategic location made it a hub for trade with neighboring islands, where goods such as ceramics, metals, and agricultural products were exchanged. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Camiguin. The influences of colonial rule, changes in governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. Old Spanish documents indicate that Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan and Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi landed in Camiguin in 1565. The first Spanish settlements in what was later to be known as Ginsiliban was established in 1598. Ginsiliban comes from the old Kinamiguin word Ginsilipan, which means to look out for pirates from a watchtower. An old Spanish watchtower where the Camiguinos kept watch for pirates still stands in Ginsiliban. Mambajao became a town in 1855. The name was coined from the Visayan term mamahao, meaning to usher breakfast, and bajao, which refers to leftover boiled rice. In the early 1900s, Mambajao prospered to become the busiest port in northern Mindanao. In 1901, in the middle of the Spanish-American War between 1898 to 1904, American soldiers landed in Camiguin to assume political control over the land. A group of Camiguinos, armed with bolos and spears, led by Valero Camaro, fought for the island's independence from foreign invasion during a short battle in Catarman. A bullet in the forehead killed Valero Camaro. He became an unsung Camiguin patriot of the early independence movement. In 1903, the first public school in Camiguin was built in Mambajao, and in 1904, the first public water system was installed. On June 18, 1942, the Japanese Imperial Army landed in Camiguin and set up a government in Mambajao. From 1946 to 1958, Camiguin was part of the province of Misamis Oriental. In 1958, it became a sub-province, and in 1968, it became a full-fledged province with Mambajao established as its capital.